This is Sasha Owens reporting live from Mississippi. The trees have indeed fallen. It's giving that the trees are cleansing themselves. Because as you notice, some of the bigger trees are still there, or some of these small trees have just leaned over. So we're going to take that as a message. Cleanse yourself this season and cut out all that dead weight, period. Reporting back to you.
Very beautiful. I don't even know if they can see it the